Yan, we are live. Hello, hello mga sis. Hello ladies all over the world. Alright, magandang gabi mga sisters and magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali sa lahat ng mga nanonood nito ngayon ng live at sa lahat ng mga manunood, please say hi, tell us where you're watching from kasi yung pages namin, it's all global and we wanted to know din kung saan ba nakakarating itong aming live segment na ito sa aming mga pages. By the way, we're broadcasting live on all our Facebook pages. And this is going to be another interesting segment sa aming pages. It's a Go Live series. We call this OFW's Go Digital. It's a Tagalog live talk series about the life of overseas Filipino workers around the world and their digital journeys. At the same time, ang goal po namin dito is to inspire and educate all OFWs to set up their own successful online business so that they could, come home to their family the soonest time. Mas mabilis ang ipon, mas mabilis makakauwi, 'di ba? So magandang mag-set up talaga ng digital business or online business nila. So before po kami magsimula, allow us to introduce ourselves. Sis Cathy.
Yes. Hello, ladies. Yes. Hello, ladies. Nakaka-excite, di ba? So, sa aming mga kababayan na nanonood po, so magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi kung saan po kayo nanonood. Maraming salamat po. And yeah, ako po si Cathy. I'm based here in Singapore. I'm a mom of 2 wonderful boys. And I'm an engineer by profession, but now a stay-at-home mom and spending more quality time with my children. And I'm a digital business owner and mentor. Thank you.
Hello everyone, wherever you are watching us from, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is Lani. I'm a single mom sa aking nag-iisang Maria. I'm also one of those na nag-venture abroad to work for the family. Ako po ay isang overseas Filipino worker sa isang manufacturing company na naka-base dito sa Cambodia for almost 13 years. And of course, I'm a proud digital business owner. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karen. I'm all the way here from Taiwan, and unlike from Giselle, Lani, and Cathy, they are all moms, but in my case, I'm single, so this business is not just for the married one, but this is also for singles. So yun, nagtatrabaho ko dito sa Taiwan for almost 9 years na as an OFW, and I'm doing factory works.
All right. Hello everyone. Hi mga sis. Good morning at good afternoon at good evening sa mga viewers natin na nasa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Kamusta po sa inyong lahat at welcome dito sa aming new segment sa business pages namin. Ako nga pala si Verna, a wife and a mom of 2 kids. And currently living here in the United States, Washington. And also, I work as a mail handler in a postal office and retail worker here also. Ayun po. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much ladies. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nanonood. Ako naman po si Jel. I am a wife to an overseas Filipino worker in Papua New Guinea. And we're OFW family. We're based in PNG. I'm a mom of 2, a preschooler and a newborn. And I've been working in the corporate industry for more than 10 years now, same as my husband who's also with me in this business. And we're also proud digital business owners. Alright, so ngayon po, ano bang topic natin? Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang reason bakit nga ba kami nag-venture. Why we chose to venture into digital business. Kasi gusto naming ipakilala muna namin ang aming sarili sa inyo bago natin i-discuss ang ilang mga important topics about this digital business. Maganda at mahalaga na malaman nyo bakit nga ba kami nag-start ng kanya-kanya naming online businesses. So, sis Cathy?
Yeah, simulan ko na. So, bakit ko nga ba sinimulan at pinasok ng digital business? So, unang-una, nandito kami sa Singapore. Kung alam naman na nakakarami na mataas yung cost of living dito sa Singapore. So, hindi pwede na isa lang yung nagtatrabaho. So, isa yun sa reason ko kung bakit sinimulan ko itong business. So, kasama namin dito yung anak namin, 2 anak namin. So, ang pinakamalaking gastos is yung sa school ng mga bata. So, during pandemic, nawalan ako ng trabaho, nagsarado yung company ko. So, nandun din yung realization na ang tagal-tagal kong nagtatrabaho dito sa Singapore, yung time na na-spend ko sa kanila, sobrang konti lang. Like, 1 or 2 hours a day lang. So, nung nawalan ako ng trabaho, naghanap ako ng way talaga na yung makakapag-spend ako ng more time with them. Especially na lumalaki sila. Kailangan, gusto ko na mas marami yung oras na ma-spend ko sa kanila. And during that time also, na nawalan ako ng trabaho and that time meron kaming helper. Pero nag-decide na di siyang umuwi. So, nandun ako sa sitwasyon na maghahanap ba ako ng panibagong trabaho para masustain yung financial needs namin dito, or yun nga, magsimula ako ng business na makakapag-spend ako ng more time sa kanila at the same time is magkakaroon ako ng kita. So kaya yun yung pinaka reason ko bakit ko sinimulan tong business is to have more time with my children. Kasi 'di ba nasa siguro konti lang yung difference namin na yung mga pamilya is nasa Pilipinas, nasa abroad yung parents, 'di ba? Kasi hindi sila magkasama. Pero kami na kasama namin yung mga anak namin, pero 1 to 2 hours lang yung na-spend ko sa kanila. 'Di ba? So, 'yun, nag-pray ako, naghahanap talaga ako kung ano yung mga ways na pwede kong magawa na I can work from home, I can spend more time with my children at the same time yun, kikita para makatulong sa asawa ko sa gastusin dito sa Pilipinas, sa Singapore. At the same time, naisip ko kasi syempre Pilipinas, nandun yung heart natin na makatulong pa rin sa pamilya natin sa Pilipinas. So isa din yun sa reason na patuloy na makapagsuporta sa kanila. So, ayun po. Salamat.
Ayun, thank you very much, Sis Cathy. For me naman, ang aking why, bakit ko ba pinasok yung digital business na ito, is to really have another source of income na makakasupplement sa aking corporate income. Kasi single mama ko, so as a sole provider, kailangan ko ng additional support para masustain ko, mas lalo kong masustain or magampanan ko yung pangangailangan ng buo kong pamilya or ng pamilya ko. And of course, at the same time, makatulong na mabilis kong maisakatuparan yung marami kong pinapangarap para sa pamilya ko. And thankfully, I found this digital business. Nag-click siya, nag-match siya sa mga requirements or criteria na hinahanap ko. At isa na roon yung nagagawa ko yung trabaho ko sa corporate job At the same time, I'm doing this digital business na hindi ko nako-compromise yung trabaho ko or yung responsibilidad ko sa corporate job. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ate Lani. So sa akin naman, may very reason kung bakit ako nag-venture into this online business is that being an OFW kasi, hindi naman siya forever na job. Hindi siya permanent na trabaho. And the fact na ang hirap magtrabaho na malayo tayo sa family. We need to sacrifice hindi lang yung time natin na malayo sa kanila, but we miss a lot of memories. But thankfully, because of this online business, currently, nandito ako sa Pilipinas, nagbabakasyon. Kasama yung family ko, I was granted with a 9 days vacation. And sino ba naman ako para tanggihan yun, di ba? Kung dati hinihintay ko na matapos yung kontrata ko ng 3 years bago ko sila makasama. But then because of this online business, I was able to do it anytime na payagan ako ng aking boss na umuwi ng Pilipinas. So yun, I am so much blessed and grateful na hindi lang ako yung nagbe-benefit but most especially yung aking family. And if ever man na matapos yung kontrata ko, wala na akong masyadong worries because I can do this online business anytime and anywhere. Lalo na kung andito na ako sa Philippines, kasama ko sila. Mas makakapag-focus ako, nakasama ko at hindi ako nalalayo sa aking family. And yun lang.
Alright, thank you, Sis Karen. For me, so I have worked 16 years at a retail company and 2 years full-time sa postal service. At kagaya ng mga OFW, kasama nating OFW, may mga sacrifices tayo while living and working sa ibang bansa. So we look for opportunities away from our homeland so we can provide for our families. And as a Filipino parent, marami tayong dreams for our family, right? Sa mga anak natin. And we always want to give, the best for them and while making sure they grow up properly. So as parents, we have the big responsibility na ma-provide natin yung, yung mga pangangailangan nila and then the time. So that is why, that is the reason why I joined this business. I also want to give more time for our family and provide for my kids' education. So nakaka-relate ako sa lahat ng mga mommies at sa ating single sister here. So looking back on those 16 years na nagtatrabaho ko, so mas marami yung oras na naibibigay natin dun sa trabaho kaysa sa pamilya. Uwi tayo, natutulog na yung mga anak natin, di ba? So then we still have to work hard. So para alam mo yun, makabayad tayo sa ating mga bills, make ends meet ba. So, and then also, my daughter is going to college too. So, mas malaki yung financial need namin as of now. So, but despite all the hard work, we still thank God for all those opportunities that we, our opportunities and blessings. So, it's a blessing na I bumped into this business, this digital business, and we can have the time and freedom and the means to provide for our family. So we just have to work for it lang. And that's all for me. And I'll turn the mic to you, Jel.
Okay. Basa muna tayo ng mga comments, ladies. Ate Lani?
Ayan. Yes, meron tayong comment from KB's Online. Yan, sabi niya is, "Hi ladies, good evening. Watching live from Batangas, Philippines." Hello, Kay. And then also, okay, and also from Christian Lord Ephraim Reyes. Yes. Hello, yellow ladies watching live from PNG. Hello. Hello from PNG. Meron pa ba?
Okay.
We have here another one
Another
from...
comment.
Yes, meron pa tayo dito from KB's Online. Sabi niya dito, this business is really a blessing. You can do this full-time or side hustle. The business is very flexible as well. You can do this anytime and anywhere. Totoo yan. Proven yan. Kasi I'm doing this business part-time since I am working 12 hours. So, ginagawa ko siya part-time lang. But then, this is very much flexible.
Okay, Sis Berna.
Hi. Okay, so we have a message or comment from Christian Lord. Yes, the flexibility of this business fits well to hardworking parents, especially the moms. Yes. Totoo po yan.
Napaka-supportive ng mga husband ngayon.
Yeah. And from Mr. Andrew Pelayo. Hello, ladies. Hello, lovely ladies watching from Singapore. Hello.
Ayan na nga. Thank you so much naman sa ating 17,000 viewers tonight. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga comments. Patuloy po kayong mag-comment dito sa aming live session for tonight. Let me just share with you the reason why we chose to venture into a digital business. So kami naman, of course, gaya ng ibang mga OFW families, ang isang magulang ay nasa ibang bansa. So sa case namin, it's my husband, si Christian, who's based in Papua New Guinea to work. He's an overseas Filipino worker there. Before we started the business, my career talaga is in the Philippines. So medyo hiwa-hiwalay kaming, tatlo pa lang kami nun. So isa pa lang yung anak namin. Hiwa-hiwalay kami because I would work in Makati. And then, I would normally leave our daughter naman sa province. So, hindi kami madalas talaga nagkikita. The difficulty really happened during the pandemic. Ang hirap ng daming travel restrictions and all. And yun yung turning point namin when we actually decided na parang hindi siya healthy for our growing toddler during that time. So, we decided na at least for me, we wanted to move together. We wanted to be together, no? Pero because the opportunity in PNG is better, then dun kami papunta. Pero ako ngayon yung nag-worry kasi I have to leave my career in the Philippines. So I was really looking for something that I could do na una, makakapagbigay sa akin ng income na pwedeng tapatan yung income ko dito sa Philippines. Kasi iba yung dalawa pa rin yung sources of income mo. Or pareho pa rin may income ang mag-asawa. Diba? Mahirap pag iisa lang. So, yun yung gusto ko. And syempre, for security na rin, for the whole family. At the same time, sanay ako ng nagtatrabaho ako at saka kumikita ako ng akin. So, I really have to look for something. Pero mahirap, hindi ako pwedeng mag-work kasi it would defeat the purpose of us being together, no? Kung kukuha pa rin kami ng nanny, so ganun pa rin yung situation. But when we found this business, una namin chinek is the legitimacy. Okay, legit, try na natin to. Diba? So when we started the business, 5 months into the business, we were able to move with my husband in Papua New Guinea. So we were reunited. That's why yun yung gusto din natin dito sa business na to. For OFW families to be reunited together, no? Kung yun yung goal talaga nila through this business because of the flexibility and the earning potential na meron itong business na to. Okay? So anyway, just to close this live segment or live session that we have tonight, thank you so much, ladies, sa mga inputs. Meron lang isa pang bumabate from Cambodia. Ate Lani? You wanna read?
Yes, from Chang Bobby. Hello, watching from Cambodia.
Ganun pala ba?
Okay.
Wow naman ang Cambodia. Nakaka-supportive. Okay, and nakakatuwa yung tandem natin kasi galing tayo sa iba-ibang stories ng OFWs, no? Meron tayong parents na may nanay or tatay na based sa ibang bansa nagtatrabaho, tapos naiwan yung pamilya sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Meron naman na breadwinner, so siya lang talagang maaasahan. So ang goal niya is really to make sure na merong income, may extra source of income, kasi hindi tayo forever OFW. Kailangan nating paghandaan yan para makauwi tayo sa Pilipinas. Meron namang immigrant na based na in other country, masaya na ang buhay nila, settled na sila, pero kulang pa din, 'di ba? Kasi ang mahal ng cost of living sa first world countries sa ibang bansa. So, kailangan talaga ng other sources of income pa rin. Plus, yun nga, nagpapadala sa family sa Pilipinas. Yan ang culture nating mga Pinoy. Talagang we would support our families back in the Philippines. So, kailangan talaga natin ng another source of income, no? Tsaka yung feeling ba na feeling of security na meron kang ginagawa na ngayon, na alam mong kumikita ka, that could be a good source of income for you and your family in the future, no? So, kung kayo pong mga nanonood ngayon is looking for an extra source of income, pwedeng maging side hustle siya. Meron kami ditong mga while working is doing the business. Pwede rin namang full-time kung meron kang few hours, 'di ba, in a day to allot, start an online business, no? If you're interested, please do check out our webinar. So we are having a live webinar every Wednesdays and Fridays. That's 8 a.m. yata Philippine time. You can Google the time zone. How to do that? You just have to register on any of our websites. Makikita nyo po yan sa aming description. And then, you will be given your own access link to the webinar. Pwede nyo po siyang panoorin. It's free. Paulit-ulit nyo siyang panoorin. Aralin yung mabuti until you're decided na you wanted the same, the same online business or the same business as what we are doing. And please continue to support us on this live segment. We will be sharing with you every bit of information about our online business. We are happy to share this because it has really done so good to every one of us and to our family as well. This has been a blessing to all our families. So we are sharing it with you. So if you're interested, check out our free webinar. Alright? So that's it for tonight, ladies. Maraming salamat sa ating audience. We have 17,000 viewers for tonight. Salamat po sa nanood, and please do check out our next episode. Alright? Alright. Thanks. Bye for now.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye, ladies.
Bye.
God bless everyone.
Bye, ladies. Thanks, everyone.